So boys and girls, you're going to take out your religion folder. Remember, it's the red one. And you're going to open that up. We're going to go through our two activities in this folder today. So you'll need this booklet here and this booklet here. And we're looking at God's creation. So this one says, we see God in the world around us, creation. So we talked about how God created light in our story. And when you're outside, and even sometimes it can happen at night if the moon is bright enough, but you can cast a shadow. So what you're going to do in this page, and you don't need to write your name on the top because we did it on the front of this booklet already, is you're going to simply match the pictures to their shadows. So I'm going to give you a minute to look at that. You can go ahead and start, and then I'm going to go ahead and have Snowy Cat watch me while I do it. So check to make sure you found the same things. So this one here is a tree. So what looks like kind of a cloud on top, and then the trunk, what makes that same shape? Right here. Okay. Then this one's a rainbow with a cloud. And then this one's a little girl with her hair in ponytails. And then a strawberry. And that one shapes like that. This is a really good illustration because the shadows look exactly the same. Okay, so we're almost done. Remember, the last thing you want to do when you finish a lesson is check your work. Make sure you've connected all 5 items to the shadows, and you're going to give yourself your exit ticket, just like that, a smiley face. All right. Then I'm not going to leave this out. I'm going to put this away, all right, because we clean up after ourselves in kindergarten. Very important, and we take care of our things. So I'm going to put that back away. And I still have my other booklet, and with the treehouse on the front. We wrote our name at the top yesterday on this one. So if you recall, we matched some of these animals to their food. So today, at the top of this page, we're going to do one page on here, okay? And this page, let me see if I can set this up so you can see it. I may need to move my camera a little bit. There we go. So on this page, we're going to trace the bubbles. And it's a little bit tricky, but I think you can do it. What you want to do is go slowly and try to get your pencil to touch each one of those bubbles, each one of the dots on the bubbles. Okay, I'm doing another one right here. Try to get your pencil to touch each one of the dots on the bubbles. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. You can either erase it or just move on to the next one and work on the next one. See if you can get your pencil point to touch each one of the bubbles. It's like a teeny tiny little dot to dot we're doing here. Okay, I am going to stop right here on this one. I'm not going to finish this one while you're watching. However, when you do finish, when you get all your bubbles traced, you need to give yourself an exit ticket at the top of this page. So what's going to happen is I'm going to finish this independently, which means on my own, and I know you can do that too, and give yourself the exit ticket. And then tomorrow, when we come back, I will show you how I finish my bubbles. Okay? Have fun with this, boys and girls. Thank you for joining me for this lesson.